In this episode, we are watching the beautiful, charming, gorgeous and adorable King Olivia. King Olivia is a South African curvy plus-size model, fashion model, businesswoman, beautician, fitness enthusiast, and social media personality. King Olivia is a blogger and a TikToker. On Instagram, King Olivia has made for herself over 213,000 followers. Do check her out and follow her on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you on the next episode. Thank you for watching.